One click and earn $10 daily. Watch ads for 30 minutes and earn $50 daily. Download this app and make $1,000 monthly while you sleep. I'm sure that after trying all these get-rich-quick schemes, you finally come to this video. Because after attempting all these tricks, you haven't made even $1 in profit. But I'll say this, it's better late than never. Because this video is going to be the best video about freelancing that you'll find on all of YouTube. A complete step-by-step guide on how you, as a beginner, can become a successful freelancer and start earning wherever you are in the world. And the best part, every course, every training, every resource I'm about to share with you in this video, all of them are completely free. Not $1 will you invest, no paid courses, no hidden fees. Before we dive in, let me share something personal with you. The person speaking in front of you right now wasn't always living comfortably. I was just a regular university student, using borrowed laptops and struggling to pay my own school fees. I remember clearly, I was in my second year in university when I heard about freelancing for the first time. It was actually from a customer in my mother's small store who mentioned something called Upwork. I had no idea what it meant, but the word dollars caught my attention. Like many of you watching this video, I also wasn't from a rich family. I was tired of asking my parents for money for everything, for textbooks, feeding, even small things like data subscription. That feeling of always being broke, always depending on others. I know you understand this because you are living in it right now. Let me be completely honest with you. My first job application, or you can call it Upwork proposal, got 0 replies. My second, ignored. I applied to maybe 30 jobs in my first month and got nothing. I was discouraged, frustrated, and almost gave up. And then after months of rejection, I finally landed my first client. A simple video editing job that paid me $45. When I saw that notification, you had received $45, I couldn't sleep that night. $45 might seem small to some people, but for me, as a broke student, it was huge. And it was also proof that this thing called freelancing was real. Proof that I could actually earn dollars online from my small room here in university. That first $45 job took me about 5 days to complete because I was learning video editing while doing the job at the same time. So make sure you watch this video to the end because the secrets I'm about to share with you would help you make your first $1,000 online. Now, let me motivate you a bit to show what's actually possible with freelancing. The person speaking in front of you started his journey in 2021 as a broke university student. I had no special connection, no rich parents, and no fancy equipment. My first month, I made $45. My second month, I made $60. By the end of my first year, I had crossed my first $1,000. By my second year, I hit my first $4,000. Today, by the grace of God, I am a full-time freelancer and content creator living a very decent life. I moved from staying with friends to having my own apartment. I pay my own school fees, and of course, I now can be very generous to others. I even bought the equipment I'm using to film this video from my freelancing income. As a freelancer, you have an unlimited earning potential. You can earn as much as you want. But here's the condition. You must put in the work, develop your skills properly, and serve your clients with dedication. Now, I'm going to give you a complete roadmap that you need to follow for the next 6 months. If you follow exactly what I'm about to tell you in these 6 months, this next 6 months can literally change your life. If you've been getting any value from this video so far, please make sure you click on the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future updates. Let me ask you a question. Would you rather struggle for the next 6 months of your life and then live the rest of your life comfortably, or you choose to struggle for the next 60 years of your life? Of course, you choose 6 months of intense work and a lifetime of financial freedom. And don't just think about the money you make. Think about the impact. Because of your success, your family's life will improve. Your relatives, your neighbors, you'll be able to help many people. You won't just live a good life, but by the grace of God, you will improve the life of many other people. Now, there's no hard and fast rule that you only start earning in 6 months. If you're a quick learner, you can start seeing progress in 2 to 3 months and start earning. If you're a slow learner like me, it may take 6 months to a year. But if you completely follow and implement this roadmap, it's totally worth your time. Step 1, understanding freelancing fundamentals. The first step is building a solid foundation of understanding. You need to understand exactly how freelancing works, what clients expect, how to communicate professionally, and most importantly, how to sell yourself and your service. For this, I want you to study successful freelancers. Go to YouTube and search for freelancing tutorials. But don't just watch randomly. Take notes. Get a diary, a pen, or a pencil. Then write down important points, because when you write something down, it sticks in your memory better. Then I want you to spend some time on Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com, even if you've not completed your profile yet. Just browse, look at successful freelancers' profiles, read job postings, try to understand exactly what clients are asking for and how much they are willing to pay. Also use this time to find out which skills are in high demand. Look at job postings and see which skills appear most frequently. Check which type of projects have the highest budgets. This research will help you choose the right skill to focus on. And if you're enjoying this video, please make sure you click on the like button. Thank you very much. Step 2. Choose your first skill. This is probably the most important decision you will make in your freelancing journey. The skill you choose will determine your earning potential, how quickly you get clients, and of course, how much you enjoy the job. If you are learning video editing, edit videos for imaginary clients. If you are learning graphic design, design logos for fictional businesses. Build a portfolio of work even before you get your first clients. Step number 4. Finding your first clients, the free method. Now comes the part that scares most beginners, finding clients. But I'm going to show you exactly how to get your first clients without spending any money on ads or paid promotion. Method number 1. Upwork Mastery. Create a compelling Upwork profile. Use a professional photo. Even a good phone selfie works. You can use this website called pfpmaker.com to get a professional looking profile picture. Write a clear description of your service, and most importantly, start applying for jobs immediately. Here's my proposal writing formula that works. 1. Address the clients by name. 2. Show that you understood their requirements. 3. Briefly explain how you solve their problem. 4. Include a relevant sample of work. 5. End with a clear call to action. Method 2. LinkedIn networking. LinkedIn is incredibly powerful for finding clients. You can connect with business owners, content creators, and marketing managers. Don't immediately pitch your service. Build relationship first. Comment on their posts, share valuable insights, and then naturally offer your service. Method number 3. Local business outreaches. Don't ignore businesses in your local area. Many businesses need digital services, but don't know how to find freelancers online. Visit businesses in your city and then collect their contact information. You can collect their WhatsApp number or their email, and then you offer your services there. Method number 4. Social media marketing. Use your personal social media accounts to showcase your skills. Post examples of your work on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, post it everywhere. You'll be surprised how many clients come from your personal network. Method number 5. Referral system. Once you complete your first job successfully, ask your clients if they know people who have similar problems or will need your service. Satisfied clients are your best source of new clients. Step 5. Delivering exceptional service. Here's what separates successful freelancers from those who struggle: exceptional service delivery. It's not just about having skills, it's about how you treat your clients and deliver your work. Always communicate clearly and promptly with clients. If you don't understand something, ask questions. If there's going to be a delay, inform the client in advance. Good communication can save you from many problems. If you think a project will take 3 days, tell the clients 5 days and then deliver in 3 days. If they expect 3 revisions, offer 5. This approach creates incredibly satisfied clients. Now become repeat customers and refer others to you. If you've been getting any value from this video so far, please make sure you click on the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future updates. Before submitting any work, 1. Review it yourself completely. 2. Check for any errors or inconsistencies. 3. Ensure it meets all the client's requirements. 4. Add a small extra touch that wasn't requested. Don't think of clients as one-time transaction. Think of them as business relationship. A single client can give you work for months or even years if you serve them well. Of course, you encounter difficult clients, but always stay professional. If a client is unreasonable, complete the work professionally and then politely decline future projects. Your reputation is more valuable than any single difficult client. Step number 6. Scaling your income. Many beginners make the mistake of staying at low prices for too long. Here's how you systematically increase your rates. Start with competitive beginner rates to get your first clients and reviews. After 5 to 10 projects, increase your rates by 20 or 30%. Continue increasing rates as you gain more experience and better reviews. Another thing for you is that instead of charging per hour, create service packages. For example, instead of charging $20 per hour for social media management, you can create a monthly pack for $500 that includes posting, engagements, and monthly reports. I also recommend that you add complementary skills to increase your value per client. If you do the video editing, learn thumbnail design. If you do social media management, learn graphic design. This allows you to charge premium rates for comprehensive services. Focus on getting monthly retainer clients instead of just project-based work. Retainer clients provide predictable income, and they are generally less stressful than trying to find new clients every time. Now, here are some common challenges you face. Challenge number 1. Language barrier. Many people worry about their English when dealing with international clients. Here's the truth: perfect English is not required. Clear communication is. Use simple, direct sentences. If you're not sure about something, ask for clarification. And of course, you can use ChatGPT to structure your sentences properly. Challenge number 2. Payment issues. I created a video where I showed you how to receive payments from clients. You can just click here to watch the video now. I encourage you to always use secure payment platforms like Upwork and the ones I mentioned in that video. For local clients, request partial payments upfront. Never start any work without some form of payment security. Challenge number 3. Time management. Balancing freelancing with school or other responsibilities is difficult and it requires discipline. So I recommend we create a schedule and stick to it. Even 2 to 3 hours of focused work daily can build you a successful freelancing career. Challenge number 4. Dealing with rejection. Rejection is part of the freelancing journey. I was rejected dozens of times before I landed my first client. Each rejection is feedback. Just make sure you learn from it and improve your approach. Challenge number 5. Imposter syndrome. You sometimes feel like you are not good enough or qualified enough. That's normal. Remember, you don't need to be perfect to start. You just need to be better than your clients at that particular skill. Now, talking about building a personal brand. Why does personal brand matter? Look, as a great freelancer, you want to get known for one particular thing. This makes it easier for clients to find you and refer you to others. So I suggest you document your freelancing journey on social media. Share your wins, your learning experience, and valuable tips. This builds credibility and attracts potential clients. So consider creating content around your skill. If you're a video editor, create editing content. If you do social media management, share marketing tips. This positions you as an expert in your field. I also recommend joining communities related to your skills. Participate in discussions, help others, and build relationships with your clients and others online. Freelancing is not just about making money. It's about building skills, confidence, and creating options for your future. The skills you've developed, the relationship you've built, the confidence you've gained will serve you for life. So once you are successful as a freelancer, you can scale by building up a team. Hire other freelancers to work under you and then become an agency owner. This is how you go from earning good money to building serious wealth. I also suggest you use your freelancing income wisely. Invest in better equipment, additional skills, and even other investments like stocks and real estate. Freelancing can be your stepping stone to much bigger financial goals and opportunities. So here's my challenge to you. Don't just watch this video and do nothing. Pick one skill from what I've mentioned today and start learning it this week. Create your next freelancing platform profile within the next 7 days. Drop a comment below telling me which skill you are going to focus on and why. I read every comment and I will personally reply to encourage you on your journey. If this video provided value to you, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell icon. I'm committed to creating more content like this that helps you achieve financial freedom through freelancing. Remember, every successful freelancer started exactly where you are right now, with zero experience, maybe limited resources, but with determination to change their situation. The only difference between them and you is that they started. Today can be your starting day. So may God bless your efforts, grant you wisdom in learning, and connect you with clients that will value your service and pay you well. Success in freelancing, like success in life, comes to those who combine hard work and faith with consistency. Your final breakthrough is closer than you think. The question is, are you ready to start? Don't forget to watch my next video where I showed you exactly how to create a winning profile that attracts high-paying clients. Until then, keep grinding, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.